All right, just a follow up to this. You also need to stop the instance. Here it says like you learn how to quickly launch an instance in a server and clean up your instance. So to clean up your instance, all we have to do is like go to EC2 again. So you can just search from this search bar. I'm sorry, EC2, and then click on it. A middle click on it, or just click on it. So all you have to do right now, once you have started the instance and if the instance is running, select the instance, go to the instance state, terminate instance. When you click on this terminate.delete instance, you're going to get this pop-up. So here you have the option of terminating. So the moment you terminate the instance, you'll be able to get the credit back to your get the credit back on your item over here. So that's the basic thing which we didn't do, and that's why it's still pending over here. All right, thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you on the next one.